Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody, my name is Muhamad from Speakimg. On this occasion, I will to tell you about the story with the title Princess Rose and the Golden Bird. So, keep on watching. Most of us remember and picture Cinderella as a most favorite character for decades. There are many more famous and cherishing fairy tales featuring beautiful characters. There are many unforgettable and cherishing imaginary characters alive forever in everyone. Forever in everyone's heart, one beautiful and attractive girl is a Princess Rose. Princess Rose and the Golden Bird is one of the unforgettable fairy tales. The tale of the Princess Rose is here. Okay. Once upon a time, there lived a beautiful princess named Rose. She had very long hair and shiny golden red hair. She was named perfectly as she loved and adored the rose. She had one glowing golden bird who will visit her in the evening. The princess and the golden bird will sing memories and song, where all people in the kingdom peacefully sleep with sweet dream. The bird will begin making the sound, seeing the beautiful hair on the princess, and she will join with the bird. Both of them used to sing lullaby to make people sleep and keep singing the lullabies until sunrise. Okay, while people live peacefully, a week which seemed to know about the golden bird and the hair color of the princess Rose. She cursed the princess and her hair turned ugly black. As usually, the bird starts singing, saying the black hair of the princess, and she continues while people feel asleep. One day had sweet dreams, tragic day, where terrible and fearful princess heard about the nightmare dream and was so worried. She asked the golden bird what she should do to turn her hair red. The bird asked her to dip her hair in rose water, and she did surprisingly. The hair turned beautiful red with the usual glow. Unfortunately, everyone fell asleep hearing the lullaby and had sweet dreams, knowing this the witch curse again and now remove our rose flower and retail from the kingdom. Okay, friend, I will tell you about the moral of the story. Don't easily believe with people, whatever the people are maybe, and we should be aware. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you can take a good lesson from this story. While in the pandemic, keep healthy you all. See you in the next time. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.